Hello, hi, I'm Christin Sambor, Energy Alchemist, Prosperity Coach, helping to live your best life, one where you thrive in all areas because you deserve it. Whether it's health, wealth, or relationships, I got you covered. So today what I want to talk about is gratitude. And all the manifestation books out there, they all talk about being grateful. And I've contemplated this topic for a while on how can we show more gratitude, not only for each other, but for the things that we have. Down to the books that we may have, to the crystals, the pens that we have, the food on our table. And it wasn't until I was thinking about teaching it to little kids did it really dawn on me where we can have more gratitude in our lives by simply slowing down and appreciating the process. What does that mean? It means taking this little book, for example, for it to get into my hands. What had to happen? Well, one, I can be thankful for the person who wrote the book, put the pictures together. I can thank her for her knowledge, for her guidance to write it. I can thank all of those who helped her in that process. I can thank her for the illustrations that she did because she actually did all of the illustrations herself. For the time that she took to know that this book would be impactful for all of those out there. To the time that she put into finding the right publisher to put it to print, for the time that she selected this cover, those who put it on her website to make it available for sale, those who fulfilled the order, those who wrapped it in tissue paper, those at the printing press who made sure it was flawless when it came out, all of those involved in the R&D process. Down to, when we keep going, to those who packed it up, to all of the hands that it went into the cardboard box that it arrived in, to those who handled that box to make sure it got from the publishing areas to the businesses, through I don't remember if this came UPS or FedEx or Postal Service, down to the people who delivered it at my door. That's all that went into this book. It's not just a book that I purchased, which then makes me more grateful every time I open this book. It doesn't matter how much the book costs, because when I think about all of those involved in this process of getting this book to me, it's worth every penny and more. Because every time I open this book, I think about all that happened for it to be in my hands. And so this book is more than a book. It's the combination of the community involved to make it to production. So when we think about things that way, maybe we're not thankful in the moment when it arrives at our doorstep. Maybe we're not thankful at the restaurant when our food arrives. It can be easy to get caught up in the little things and the little nuances, and that you're so hungry and the food's just taking forever to come. But I promise you, you can shift that energy quickly, so quickly, when you think about the farmers who grew the food, who knew what to get on the plate. They worked with the buyers. And depending if it's more of a farm-to-table restaurant or more of a corporate-y restaurant, all of the people that were involved to get it from the farmer, through the buyers, through the locations, the truck drivers, those who purchased it, to the chefs, the meal prep, to all of those who put your food together. When you think about it that way, I'd love to know if you feel more grateful for your food, for your items, for the things in your house, or if you feel the same. Maybe you feel like when you really realize how many people are involved, it's not just thanking the delivery driver for delivery or your server that the food was done. The ability to pay for that food had to come from money from somewhere. So when you think about the process and you slow it down, you become a lot more grateful. You start to shift that frequency and that energy so much faster. And it will change your life. I know it's changed mine, and it's changed a lot of people that I talk to. So I hope this can change yours too. I will be doing more videos on life skills, how to bring that frequency up in more areas of your life, and how to do it with integrity. So if you've not already done so, make sure you hit subscribe and save and like and all the things, and comment. I want to hear from you. I want to share things with you that you want. So I look forward to more sessions, more wisdom drops, and I hope that you have the most wonderful, blessed day.